Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Rashid and today I will tell you about the margins. This is related to page layout, and today I will show you that how you can play with margins, with orientation, with size. And I already told you about columns. So today, firstly, the first thing on which I have to brief you, that is margin. As default, there is a margin of 1 inch on upper side, on this bottom side, on this left side, and on this right side. So this is the default side, right? And you can narrow. This is the narrow way, that 0.5 here, 0.5 on top, 0.5 on bottom, 0.5 on right and left as well. And here is top will be 1 inch and left will be 0.7, right? And the another is top one and inside are 1.25. And from here you can customize as well. From top you can select as per your requirement, left as per your requirement, gutter as per your requirement, bottom as per your requirement, right as per your requirement, gutter option as per your requirement, right? So by this you can customize according to your requirement, okay? And after that there is the option that name is orientation. Orientation is portrait, right? And landscape will be big, right? And the portrait is in, there will be more data you can put in height. And so these are the two different types of pages, that portrait and other one is landscape. And the next option is for the pages, that if you are using the printer of A4, you have to select your page as A4, and if you using the you want to use the page of A3, your printer is default as A3, then you have to choose according to your requirement. If you select A3, so this will be the size of the page for A4. This is, and there is as well more pages. From here you can select the more pages according to your requirement. So this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you.